Today, we'll make a dry erase flashcard for letter D. Let's do it! You will need a piece of cardboard, a colorful paper, decorative tape, scotch tape, some marker colors, a pair of scissors. Cut the paper as same as the size of cardboard. Glue it with colorful paper. Draw some objects starting with letter D. A doll. A drum. A duck. Time to color. Cut them like stickers. Write letter D. Draw a dotted line in the middle of the letters. Glue the drawn objects on the flashcard. Cover the front side with white scotch tape. Make the borders with decorative tape. Test it. It works! Well done!